In order to use a voice typing on Samsung Galaxy S25, what you can do is, first of all, we need to open the keyboard. When the keyboard is open, you will find this microphone in the bottom left corner. Once you tap on it, and if you do this for the first time, you will need to grant permission to record audio, because of course we need to have our microphone enabled. And now, if we press the microphone, of course, we will be able to say things out loud, and it will be converted into the text. And of course, if you want to stop this voice typing, we need to tap on the microphone again. In case you need settings for voice typing, what you can do is open settings, scroll down to general management, and here go to Samsung keyboard settings, and then you will find voice input here. So here we have some of settings that might be useful to set up or adjust. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!